Have you already prepared your strategy? Or maybe you want to run one of our ready-made robots available in Exeria. See how you can easily configure and run the automated strategies on your account. From the My Strategies component, select the robot that you want to run. Drag it to the strategy controller panel. Now the robot can immediately start working on your account. We'll see the instrument on which transactions can be executed by default at the last price. Here we can delete the strategy from the controller, check the instrument chart, and change the settings. The instrument, interval, and size of the transaction unit are set by default. Now you just have to run the strategy with one click. The working robot, represented by a blue rectangle, will be illuminated. Thanks to Exeria, you can run the same strategy on many instruments simultaneously with individual settings. The signal that the robot generates on the Euro-Swiss franc pair may initiate a transaction on the Euro-US dollar. All you need is to change the traded instrument field. Let's change the interval and the transaction unit. Do you want the robot to close all positions and send a notification after getting $10 profit? Set the appropriate options from the list. In the same way, you can determine the amount of the maximum loss on the account. In Exeria, you can always define more advanced commands, such as the maximum value of an open position. As well as different options for the signals, like the execution of a transaction on a closed candle, a trade after the appearance of the first signal for a candle, opening a position each time a signal occurs, even every 30 seconds. If you are preparing to trade on a selected day of the week, or don't want to enter into transactions when key macroeconomic data is coming, schedule your robot's working time on the calendar. Save the settings and run your strategy. Strategies in Exeria can be launched in fully automatic mode, but you can also use them to seek out transactional signals. Click manual mode in the settings, and your robot will notify you about any incoming signals. When running it as a scanner, your strategy window will be highlighted in gray, and when buy and sell signals occur, it will change prospectively to green or red. The first robot that we've launched has already executed several transactions. We can now check when the signals occur and see the results of the robot's closed positions. Have you finished working with a strategy? You can remove it from your controller by dragging the robot into the trash. Find out more about Exeria's possibilities by visiting Exeria.com or contact us by sending us a message at Exeria@Exeria.com.